All right, so we're back again, and this time Scott, as always, you are amazing. So he first sent me out these, these housings for the headlights, right? And they're actually pretty cool. They're made by Circuit, and you can see like the backside. This is how they come. There also is a little rubber that you can put back there too. I'm not sure if I'll do that. We'll see. But so I've already kind of opened it and took a look. There is one little issue. It's not a big deal. It just means I probably won't ever use my high beams. But these are the low beams. I don't know how bright they actually are, because there's lots of different ones for that. So I was hoping to do that for the high beam, but that's okay. To be honest, it's not the end of the world. And I appreciate Scott nonetheless for doing this. This is amazing. So I have 2 of them. So I'm going to install them right now. So I need a Phillips screwdriver, which is going to be in the trunk of my car. All right, so got this all open, and then we can take a look in the Auxito box here. Hang on. And there we go. And we can confirm that, yep, that is the low beam one. Because, well, low beams for the Fox bodies have 3. Well, the high beams have 2. And we can confirm, looking at this, that it's definitely 3. So, but it's very easy to install this, though. Genuinely, it's just go like that. Although, actually, do I want this? Let's see which way that's going to be. I might have to flip the light. Yep, I got to flip the light. So, or no, I can't. All right, I'll just have to twist it. It's not a big deal. But yeah, basically, all you got to do, it's a little tricky to do with one hand, but oh, maybe not. Just like that, and it stays, and it should be a nice tight seal. So it's going to be upside down technically, because there is only one way this actually goes in by the looks of it. So all right, let's get it in there, and then let's turn it on. We'll see the difference between the low beam that is the regular one, which is like maybe 300 lumens, versus this, and who knows how bright this puppy is. And you will barely be able to see that light in the daytime, but this light, oh yeah. Now, oh yeah, that's definitely really bright. You can kind of see where, hardly at all, right? So now the only way to really see this properly is do a nighttime test of the two. But to be fair, like this is not much. I can probably show you at times, maybe even on my channel, I'm not even sure. But yeah, that is so cool. So shout out to Scott, thank you so much. And also, if you're looking for LED lighting yourself, go to Auxito. There'll be a link down in the description below, and use my code KAT15, all in caps, for 15% off your order. Because hot damn, it looks good. And it's a lot safer too, so absolutely. Wow, that's so cool. So yeah, it's just kind of funny that my low beams are going to be higher than, or like brighter than my high beams. But yeah, so cool. All right, well, let's see how bright these are. So, holy crow. I knew they were pretty bright, but they're not as bright as I thought they were, just because when I looked up the part number, it was showing like 20,000 lumens. That's clearly not 20,000 lumens. And that's fine, honestly. That is about perfect. But then, for reference, that's the low beam. This is with the high beam, which looks a lot weirder because it has more of that yellow that's breaking into it, right? But, and you can look really quick, and you can see, there you go, you can see the differences between the low beam and the high beam like that. So that's pretty cool. So shout out to Scott. You are an awesome dude, man.